This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by faithemichael, Realtor, ABR, R-Cert. This 2-bedroom/2-bath ground floor condo in Wildewood Springs is clean, furnished and appointed, ready to move into quickly. Many updates including new AC and HWH, step and tiled shower, impact glass and accordion hurricane shutters. Perfectly situated on a pond with serene fountain. For more information, review the details below or contact faithemichael, Realtor, ABR, R-Cert at 941-356-8862.